recording. So we are making first the straight line. Okay, making the straight line. Okay, fine. So after the straight line, okay, you mix. First you draw one line. Okay, okay, you make circle like this. Okay, make one circle like this. Very simple circle like this.
Sir, can you tell once again, sir?
Yeah, just make it one straight line first. Okay. After the straight line, you draw the circle like this, one circle. Okay, here. Aram se. First draw this one. Okay.
Sir, there are missing.
Yes, not miss anything. Only the line and circle you are missed. Okay, don't worry. Let's start. So make further straight line like this straight line, and then you draw one circle. Okay, like this. Okay. After that, we are making here one oval. Here make oval. आराम से करो. Okay, take time. Make it oval. Okay, first make a circle and then make it oval like this. Okay, and now okay, after
So
that,
are we doing Mickey Mouse?
no, this is Dave and Eva, one nursery rhymes characters. Okay, so I just erasing after this drawing. I erasing this line, these two lines. Okay, like I erasing this line. Okay, I erasing this circle line. Okay, so you can see in the middle one straight line now even. So in this straight line, you just make first do like this. Okay, it is like this. It's come like this. Okay, it's come like this. Okay, very easy. Like this. Okay, आराम से करो. Take time, Heman. Okay, Prabhu is there. Here, in this is the eyes line. So I draw here one eyes, and here one eyes. First do that much. Okay. This is two eyes I draw over here, here and there. And here I make its nose. Nose is like can. What you say, beta?
Can you repeat?
Yeah. I wait for 2 minutes. First do this one. That much. Here we make the glass. First I make the ear. I make over here ear. Okay, like this. Okay, make ear. Aram se. Make ear like this. Okay. And make the hair. Make the hair like this. Aram se. Okay.
Sir, how did you done the ears?
Just like a oval. Just like a oval. Okay.
Please.
Mouth is like make it like this first. Then do like this one. First make the curve and then do like this. Both sides. Like this. First do this, and then both sides do like this. Aram se.
Okay, sir.
Unukok is here. Unukok. Take time. So in this straight line, you just make it both sides the same.
Can you show me again?
Yeah. If this is straight line, no. So in this straight line, make this like this, and from here, you make first the hand. 1, 2. This is the hand. Okay. I make the hand like this, and then the first make the hand and then the body like this first. Then after that make the coat and t-shirts and this thing, and here just simple hand like this. Okay, it's very simple, pretty simple. Okay. Draw first. We are going to color this drawing. This. I'll make it nice line. Okay. Like this. Okay. Aram se. Then the mouth. Everything is very clear and fresh. Okay. This is the nose. Yeah, please show. Wow, it's really awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Most welcome, beta. So I make the final line. Okay, take time, finish the outline.
Yes, sir. You're done, sir. Can I show you? Sir? Sir? Sir, that is lining. Sir, sleep. So, can you see it?
Okay, beta.
So can you see it?
No, I do color now.
So but the sun is in outlining.
Yeah.
That is go. I have done the outlining work.
Okay. I erase all pencil line. Okay. I put the. Oh my god, this is not Prussian blue. I put the dark blue. Put the Prussian blue over here. Okay. Dark blue. Okay. First make this one.
So let me mix with my pastel colors.
Okay. Just the done beta. Start beta. Yes. Where are going on this people?
So this is when I finish the outline. Is this okay?
Yes. Yes. Hemant, where are you beta? Hemant. Yeah, show yours. Nice, Joanna. Show yours.
Sir, is this okay?
It's fine. It's fine. Absolutely fine. We are creating here the color like this. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
what glue did you use?
I'm using a flash tint color, beta. Flash tint.
I know, but which glue did you use?
Prussian blue. Yeah, it's this Prussian blue. I'm using the black color for the top of the heat. Okay, it's put the black color actually. I put dark other color, but you should put the black color. Okay.
Sir, which color you put on the hand?
You can put the black. I'm using the violet, but you put the black. I not get the violet color now in my palette. Yeah, black. Put the black color like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hemant, are you here, beta? Hemant. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, good, beta. We will mix some more here, both sides. It looks pretty awesome. I just put this this kind of here. Okay. So it's look like a teacher kind of doctor kind of things. Okay. Like this. Okay, and I add something here. Interesting thing. I make some glass spectre. Okay. For fun.
Sir,
Yes.
I only have peach color.
Okay, you can put the peach color.
God, also have a peach color.
Uh,
It's
yeah, this color, right.
I have both the peach and that you have that color too.
Yes. Yes, beta.
Sir, how do you make the legs?
No need to legs actually. If you make legs, you can do it like this. The same color. You can make the same color. Blue. The shoes is black, and this is the blue. You can put it. Flash tint color, beta is name.
Yes, yes.
Tint, yeah.